Today I decided to make caldo de albóndigas and chipotle. If you like caldos, you're gonna love this recipe. For the meatballs, I'm using 1 pound of ground beef, and to season, here I have half a teaspoon of each: black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. 1 egg, and make sure it's at room temperature, half a cup of uncooked white rice, and some cilantro. Or you can also add mint. Mix until well combined, and it should look like this. To make the meatballs, I'm using my 1/4 measuring cup so that all the albóndigas are around the same size. With this amount of meat, I made about 13 albóndigas. For the sauce, here I have 4 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a white onion, 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of Chipotle sauce, and here I have 1 tablespoon of each, chicken and tomato bouillon. Finally, 1 cup of water, and we blend. I'm gonna set my pot to medium-high heat and add some oil. When the oil is hot, we add in the salsa, mix, and we add in 5 cups of boiling water. Cover it up and wait for it to boil. It's now boiling, and we're gonna add in the corn. I'm using 2. And the albóndigas. Add them in slowly so you don't burn yourself. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes, we're gonna add in 2 potatoes and 2 carrots. Give it a quick mix, cover it, and let it cook for another 8 minutes. Then add 1 zucchini, some cilantro, and a small sprig of mint. Cover once more and cook for 6 more minutes. And our caldo de albóndigas is now ready. I'm gonna serve myself a bowl. It looks super delicious, and honestly, it's not spicy at all. My kids eat this all the time. Now with some tapatio, limoncito, and it's ready to enjoy. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers. This caldito is just perfect. If for those of you that don't know, I live in California, Southern California. It's been raining, it's been cold. Also, my kids just got through a really bad cold, and this is perfect for them. And there you have it, delicious caldo de albóndigas and chipotle. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.